Hi, it's Claire and welcome to Need or Say More. Today I'm going to show you how to create a French seam in 2 minutes. So it's really easy if you start with a fabric that's got a clear right and wrong side, and you want to start with your fabric wrong side spacing. So this is different to a normal seam. So you're going to start wrong side spacing. You want to stitch a seam reversing or back stitch in at the end of each seam, and this needs to be 5 mils, half a centimetre from the raw edge. So this will be a very scant seam that you're sewing initially. Then you're going to press this open, and then you're going to press it back on itself, and this will make it press much nicer. It'll make sure you don't get any of the seam tucked inside. Once you've pressed that and you've got a really nice straight even edge, you're going to now sew a seam where you back stitch, reverse stitch either end, and you're going to keep your seam allowance this time 10 millimeters, 1 centimetre. So overall your seam allowance will add up to 1.5 centimetres, but you're doing half a centimetre and then a centimetre. If you've done all this correctly, all the raw edges will be encased inside your seam, and this would be used for children's nightwear and high-end garments.